Hi, I'm Mike Fitzgerald with Bobcat Company. I'm a senior product performance manager with the company, and here we're standing next to a T86-2 loader. This is in our pro group of machines, and we have three different sizes of machines there. We've got the 60 size, 70 size, and 80 size individually to fit into different applications. But what we're doing with this now, we've come out with the -2 models, which is an evolution from what we've had. We've had these machines for about 5 years, and customers have had requests on what they'd like to see, what we could do for changes and make improvements. So with this loader now on the 86, we've went to 115 horsepower engine to give them more engine performance, to drive better on moving material as well as operating attachments. We also have changed the lift arm linkages, so this machine now has 12-foot lift height, which again, customers have asked us to reach higher and load into higher sided dump trucks and hoppers and things of that nature. So that's on the performance side. From an operator standpoint, we changed the interior of the cab. We've added some small things, storage compartments, a cell phone holder, and things like that are little things. But on the big areas, we actually have now control system in this machine that has 4 different control modes to adapt to or adjust, have the customer select what they have for most preferred method. We've got a balanced method down on the bottom that's smooth, easy, and slower, a little slower on machine movements. And on the top side, we've got a charge setting where it can get and go and move materials very fast, and 2 in between. So again, trying to allow the operator to work with the best setting he wants and to make him most efficient he can be on a job site. On the display, this is a external display that would be normally in the machine, but we can go in here and go to the settings, and we talked about the machine settings. On drive modes, I have the 4 different settings. I can go down to balanced, and there we have a slower drive speed, slower acceleration, but very smooth operating machine. If I step up to the agile, I move up on both speed and acceleration. Smoothness gets traded off a little bit. Dynamic, again, moving up on speed and acceleration. And when I do charge, now I'm giving you the maximum speed the machine will go and the maximum acceleration. And it's not going to be quite as smooth as the others. But again, depending on your application, your job site will depend on what you're looking for. We also have the work group response, which can be set, again, for a smoother, slower response, medium type, or very quick response, depending on what you're looking for. So those are types of things that can be done and with the machine settings. Now, if I go back to the home screen, we also have the job site companion in this, where I can actually keep my hand on the control, press the button, and say, change speed management to 75.
Speed management set to 75.
So, change speed management to 25.
Speed management set to 25.
So you never have to take your hand off to change, and there's 50 different things we can do with the job site companion and changing the parameters of the machine just by pressing the button, telling the job site companion to adjust to what application or attachment you have, things of that nature. So again, making it easier for the operator to adapt with the new features in the machine. The other things we've done, we've improved the operator awareness from around the machine. We've got a new display panel that is in the machine, 8-inch display that has capabilities with our rear view camera for just rear view camera. We can do a broader view on the back of the machine. We can also do a 360-degree view. With that comes people detection. So while you're operating the machine, if you have that option on there, it'll actually pick up and notify you that if there's a person around the machine on one side or the other, wherever that might be. So again, getting that awareness to make that operator more efficient on his job site.